He's having a small problem like separation anxiety. Even 1 hour in a day, they have to kept in a separate room or in a separate cage. Good girl. Good girl. Now he is really excited because I take him for walking for nearly 15 minutes. So he wanted to use that 15 minutes valuably. Come. Even you can see the dog muscle. They can easily breathe. Hey, what's up guys? It's really nice meeting guys, and today what we are going to see is that
our client has given a compliment to our dogs, a calcium chew pack.
So all dogs are really excited guys. So we are ready to give them. That Doberman actually came for a training guys. He's having a small problem like separation anxiety. Separation anxiety comes for single dog owners. Few trainings like they have to be separated even 1 hour in a day. They have to kept in a separate room or in a separate cage. Definitely they have to learn every obedience training like sit, come, no, eat, bark, and even potty training. Then only they get the obedience.
And they also should be weird muscles.
Everything happens due to stress only guys. Actually he came before 1 week. He started to get socialized with all the dogs, and even he started to enjoy each and every second being here. He also had another problem is that he never go out for walking. He'll be afraid and he never goes out. So we also control that one. First let's give them the calcium bones. Every dogs are really excited. Even I am excited. So let's start giving them. Hey yaar biscuit venum, biscuit. எப்படி பிடிக்கிறானுங்க பாப்பமா.
Yumma.
Wow. No சொல்லிருக்கேன். Okay? No. Slow. பிடிக்க கூடாது. Slow. No சொல்லிருக்கேன். Okay, good boy. போ. அவர் வாங்கிட்டாரு.
வாங்கிட்டு போறாரு.
பைரவ். டிடி
இந்த விஷயத்துல எப்பவுமே கொஞ்சம் சாஃப்ட் டைப் போல.
ஏய், நோ சொல்லிருக்கேன். கூட நான் ஐராட்ட கொடுக்குறேன். ஐரா, good girl. Finally she also ate it.
So that they all finished the bones. Now let's go for walking. A leashed walk with Doberman and unleashed walk with Didi.
We tied the collar. Let's call him now. Come, let's go for walking. Come. So guys, this is the change which we bought in him. He obviously came to understand that we are going to walking, we are going outside. He is in excitement now. Good girl. No. Good. Come. No. I said no. No. When we say no, obviously he will leave what he is seeing and come back to me. Come.
Hey Vivek, he is pulling you now.
When he came to training, he never came outside for walking. He was kind of afraid. Now he is really excited because I take him for walking for nearly 15 minutes. So he wanted to use that 15 minutes valuably. Julie, come. Good girl, come.
She will be always in his sight only. This is what we call the off reach.
Good boy, come. 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 Even up. Okay. Come. Good girl. Get in. This is the dog muscle which I am using. This is letter dog muscle. If your dog is trying to eat something from ground, or if your dog is barking at night or howling at night, just start to use this dog muscle to control their habit. I'll show you guys how to use it on him. Good boy. You can see the dog muscle. They can easily breathe. It will be easy for them to drink water, and also they can eat biscuits. Good boy. See his tail is little upward, and even he's excited and he really wants the biscuit now. You have biscuit out of that biscuit. Good boy. So I hope you guys now understood everything. Using dog muscle is really effective. Obedience training is really a must for every dog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's see you on next video guys. Bye.